Last month, a marketing agency owner with 4 years of referral income posted on r/marketing. Title: Referrals have dried up, what is actually working? The top reply: 60 upvotes, 1 sentence. You are a marketing agency that does not know how to generate leads? That might be your problem. Every owner under 10 people hits this cliff eventually, and almost all of them make the same expensive mistake next. Hiring a sales team. A US-based SDR costs $100,000 fully loaded year 1. 70% quit inside 18 months. The fix is not people. It is a 3-layer channel stack. Layer 1, Upwork for demand capture. Layer 2, a written referral partner agreement with 3 to 6 adjacent agencies. Layer 3, 1 piece of content per week in 1 lane. That is the real SDR replacement. Grands, an 8-person Shopify agency, plateaued on referrals for 4 months. They rebuilt around Upwork bidding plus sharper service packaging. $21,000 in new contracts in 3 weeks. 250% growth over 6 months. Code IT, a 15-person custom software shop, lost 30% of revenue when an anchor client ended. 8 weeks of tight Upwork bidding replaced every dollar plus $14,000 in retainers. 0 sales hires. You only need a sales hire when revenue clears $80,000 a month, your inbound leaks past the owner, and the offer is tight enough to train someone in 2 weeks. Below that, build a stack. GigRadar runs Layer 1 for 3,000 agencies with human review on every proposal. A dedicated business manager, no credentials shared. Get a free pipeline audit at gigradar.io.